In this lesson, we'll prepare the natural nail for sculpting. We're starting with the manicure already done, and cuticles are pushed back and the nail is clean. Now let's make sure the surface is ready for gel. Use a soft buffer to gently remove the shine from the natural nail. This step creates texture so the base gel can bond securely. Buff lightly. We're not thinning the nail, just dulling the surface. Use consistent strokes in one direction while buffing. Use 70% alcohol to wipe the surface after removing the shine. Next, we'll apply a pH bond. This step creates the perfect foundation for primer and base gel. You can apply it generously, it dries quickly and won't flood the nail. Next, apply a thin, even layer of primer across the nail. Avoid contact with the skin to prevent irritation or lifting. Let's move on to the base gel. Brush on a regular layer that covers the surface without flooding. Cure the base layer for a full 60 seconds to ensure proper bonding. Use a lint-free wipe and alcohol to remove the sticky layer. After curing, you're all set to begin the gel application process.